Ever been caught in the suspense of your favorite show, only for it to freeze and show that dreaded spinning wheel? That's buffering, the invisible hiccup in our digital lives. We rely on Wi-Fi every day, but it's not magic. It's science. Wi-Fi uses invisible waves to send information through the air, much like how radio brings music to your car. These waves fill our homes, connecting us to the world. But when something blocks or interferes with them, like thick walls or other electronics, our connection slows down. The next time you see that buffering wheel, remember, information is traveling from a distant server, through underground cables, and finally leaping through the air to your device. It's an incredible journey happening in milliseconds. By understanding how it works, we can turn frustration into fascination. Let's dive into the science behind Wi-Fi and see how it connects our world. At the heart of Wi-Fi are radio waves, a part of the electromagnetic spectrum. Just like visible light and microwaves, Wi-Fi uses specific radio frequencies to send information, keeping your network separate from your neighbors or the local radio station. But how do waves carry videos and websites? It's all about binary code zeros and ones, the language of computers. Wi-Fi translates these zeros and ones into patterns on radio waves, changing their height or rhythm to represent data. Your device listens for these patterns, decodes them, and reassembles the information into the videos, photos, and messages you see. When you click a link, your device sends a request as a radio wave to your router, which passes it to the internet. The response comes back as millions of zeros and ones, beamed through the air to your device. This high-speed conversation happens billions of times per second. It's how you stream, chat, and browse, thanks to the science of waves and code. Let's see how your home router makes it all possible. The router is the brain of your home network, a translator and traffic director. Internet data arrives through a cable and modem, but your devices speak Wi-Fi. The router bridges this gap, turning digital info into radio waves and broadcasting them throughout your home. It manages requests from all your devices, streaming, gaming, video calls, without mixing them up, thanks to unique addresses for each device. Placement matters. Put your router in a central spot, away from thick walls or metal, for the best signal. The farther you are from the router, the weaker the signal, and the more likely you'll see buffering. The router tirelessly keeps your digital world running smoothly. It's the unsung hero, making sure every bit of data gets where it needs to go. Now let's picture how this all works with a simple analogy. Imagine your router as a busy post office in your home. Every website, video, and message is a piece of mail, written in zeros and ones addressed to your devices. Invisible mail carriers, radio waves, zip these messages through the air, delivering them to the right device. When you send a request, like searching for cat videos, your device hands it to a mail carrier, who rushes it to the router, then out to the internet. The internet sends back the videos as new mail, and the process repeats, millions of times per second. Buffering happens when the post office is overwhelmed, the mail carriers have a long way to travel, or something blocks their path. Moving closer to the router or clearing obstacles can speed up your connection. Understanding this analogy helps you troubleshoot Wi-Fi issues. Now, let's see how this science connects us to a bigger world. Next time you connect to Wi-Fi, remember, it's not magic, but science and engineering at work. Wi-Fi is just one example of invisible forces shaping our lives, thanks to human curiosity and ingenuity. The same questions that led to Wi-Fi can lead you to explore GPS, touchscreens, or solar panels. Science is for everyone, and technology keeps evolving. Maybe you'll invent the next breakthrough. Stay curious, keep asking questions, and explore the world around you. The more you learn, the more you'll appreciate the wonders, both visible and invisible, that connect us all. Stay connected, not just to the internet, but to the amazing world of science.